Welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at one of the most insane luxury vans in the world, the GMC Savana. And this is not just a normal van. This is a fully transformed VIP lounge on wheels that combines power, comfort, and next-level interior design. Starting with performance, this vehicle may look like a luxury limousine, but under the hood it carries serious power. The Savana usually comes with a 4.3 L V6 engine producing around 276 horsepower, but the real beast is the 6.6 L V8 engine that delivers about 401 horsepower and massive torque. This means even though it is a large and heavy van, it can move smoothly on highways and handle long-distance travel without any stress. The acceleration is not sports car fast, but for its size, it feels strong and confident. The 8-speed automatic transmission makes gear shifts smooth, and the ride quality is stable, especially on highways. This van is built for comfort cruising, not racing, but when you press the pedal, you can feel the power instantly. Now talking about the driving experience, it feels solid and premium. Because of its long body, it gives excellent road presence, and you feel like you are driving something important. The suspension is tuned for comfort, so bumps and rough roads are handled very well. However, in tight city areas, turning and parking can be a bit challenging due to its size. But on open roads, this van feels like a dream machine. Now let's move inside, and this is where everything changes completely. The interior you are seeing is not factory standard. It is a fully customized luxury setup that turns the van into a private jet on wheels. As soon as you step inside, you are surrounded by premium leather seats with diamond stitching, giving a very soft and rich feel. There is an L-shaped sofa that allows passengers to sit comfortably like a lounge, along with reclining captain chairs that provide first-class airline comfort. In the center, you get a beautifully crafted wooden table which can be used for meetings, dining, or even working on the go. This makes the van perfect for business class travel. Above your head, there is a starlight roof, similar to what you see in high-end luxury cars, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere at night. Ambient lighting all around the cabin enhances the premium feel, and the combination of soft lights and leather makes the environment feel very expensive. For entertainment, there is a large LED screen mounted in front, where you can watch movies, presentations, or even connect your devices. Touch control panels are installed on the sides, allowing passengers to control lighting, temperature, and media easily. You also get features like climate control, charging ports, and a mini bar setup, which adds to the VIP experience. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving office, cinema, and relaxation space all in one. Talking about space, this van is huge. In its stock version, it can carry up to 12 to 15 passengers, but in this luxury version, the seating is reduced to around 4 to 7 people to maximize comfort. Every passenger gets a lot of leg room and personal space, making long journeys extremely comfortable. Now coming to price, the standard version of this van starts from around $45,000 to $60,000 depending on the variant. But this luxury modified version you are seeing can easily go above $100,000 and even reach $200,000 depending on the level of customization. So yes, this is not a cheap vehicle, but you are paying for a completely different experience. In terms of advantages, this van offers powerful engine options, massive space, and unlimited customization possibilities. It is perfect for VIP transport, business executives, luxury travel, and even content creators who want something unique. On the downside, fuel consumption is high, and due to its large size, it is not very convenient for tight urban areas. Overall, the GMC Savana luxury van is not just a vehicle, it is a statement. It tells the world that you value comfort, power, and exclusivity. If you want something that stands out and gives you a private luxury experience on the road, this is one of the best options available. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.